Hello everyone, my name is John J. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some useful tips about a computer. Starting with this. This is an Acer Aspire 5. It has 256 gig memory, 8 gig RAM, or 1.8 gigahertz of processor speed. It is a Core i5 with a solid state drive. It is a Windows operating system. You can see how slim it is. This system takes approximately less than 10 seconds to boot to next, right? Today I'm going to share with you some useful tips that will enable you to shut down your computer in less than 3 seconds. So how do we shut down our computer in less than 3 seconds? The answer is simple. We're going to write a program on our computer desktop that will act like a button, and irrespective of whatever process your computer is running, once you click that button, the computer is going to trip off and it's going to turn off everything and to shut down completely. Without any further delay, let's get started.
So the first thing I like you to do, first of all, you're going to right click on your desktop computer. You're going to select the shortcut button right here. You're going to see a pop-up menu that looks exactly like this. If your own doesn't look like this, you have to refresh it, then you start again. All you have to do is to type a shutdown on your keyboard. You give a space, you type -S, you give a space, -T, you give a space, and you press the 0. It's going to make your computer to shut down at approximately 0 seconds. So by the time you click on the next button right here and then you click on finish, there's going to be an icon that is displayed on your computer desktop that looks exactly like this. All right, so each time you click on this button, then the computer is going to force itself to shut down irrespective of whatever process is running. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're not going to do that, okay, because we need to customize this button to make it look exactly like a shutdown button. All right, so you're going to right click on this and then you go to properties, you click on change icon, then you select on this button that looks like the shutdown button. You click OK, apply, press OK. You're done. Each time you are working on a computer and then you want to shut down your computer, you double click on this, your computer is going to trip off. However, if for instance you want your computer to shut down approximately 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, how do you do that? 60 times 60 is 3,600, right? So you hit 3,600 right here. This is going to make your computer to shut down approximately in 1 hour time. All right, you can just click on the apply button right here and you click OK. That's all. If you click on this button right now, you're about to sign out. Windows will shut down in 60 minutes. You understand what I'm saying, right? So this is exactly how to shut down your computer with an interval of a specified time.
If you learned something new today and you really enjoy what you've seen, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Adios.